So let's tackle the first question, which is you have a cleaning business. How long have you been doing that for?
A year.
1 year. And like, how much money would you say you make per month?
Okay. A month. I pretty much make about $4,000 a month.
And is that net or gross?
That's net.
That's net. Okay. And is that your only source of income, or like that's like the main one, like right now?
That's the main one, and then I'm still on unemployment, so stuff like that. So,
Okay. Okay. And let me ask you a question. Right now, by the way, how do you get started with that entire cleaning business?
so how did I get started?
Yeah, how do you get started with the cleaning business?
I went through a franchise, and I just paid into the franchise, and then started from there.
Are you able to give out the name of the franchise, like to help other people,
So
like the process?
am I able to get away from the franchise?
No, are you able to share the name of the franchise to help other people watching this video?
Oh, it's the franchise called Stratus
Stratus
out in Georgia.
in Georgia.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much did it cost to get into the business? What were the details?
The cost of the business, I mean, they have different packages. So pretty much, you can start as low as like you pretty much buy into like a monthly package. So it can go as low as $500. That they'll guarantee that they'll find you $500 worth of clients.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you can go as high as like $50,000. So
Wow.
you buy into the package based off of how much money you have on hand, and then you go from there. And then
How
they
many?
they
How much
find the
money did you start
client.
with?
I started off with 2,500.
And now you build it up to $4,000 a month in
Yes,
1 year.
yes.
That's awesome. How many hours do you work per week?
I work a lot. I work like 80 plus hours, but
Wow.
I went a different path. Um, you know, I worked in the business, so I quit my job and went full on into the cleaning business.
Okay. And you don't
So,
have any
you know,
employees right now?
could you repeat that?
Employees?
I only have one employee right now.
Okay. And between you and that employee, you guys work 80 hours together?
Yes,
And by the way, the $4,000 is after you pay him or her also?
yes.
Okay, awesome. All right. So we okay, awesome. So now let me ask you a question.
You've got to stop.